replace my old set because it died, and I really love the look of these. They are nice and modern and sleek. They hold a really good amount of salt and pepper. The batteries just go in right here, and then this is the button to get it to come out the bottom. So it also has this dial at the bottom where you can choose if you want coarse or fine salt or pepper to come out. So this is how you open and close it. So you just twist this to the unlocked section, and then you're able to pour in and out your salt and pepper. Here is what it looks like when you use it. So you just push the button up here, and then it comes out at the bottom. I have mine set more on the fine side because my peppers are pretty big, and so I want them to be as small as possible. And as you can see, it does a pretty good job about getting it as fine as it can. I just think it is super nice and sleek. I love the way that it looks on my counter. It has a little stand, no leaking, no issues with it. So if you are looking for a salt and pepper grinder, I would recommend this one.
Hey guys, want to come do a quick review of this electric salt and pepper grinder. I am absolutely in love with this product. I have not put any peppercorns into the pepper grinder yet. We mostly use salt in our house, but I have done the salt container, and as you can see right here, it's more of like a rock salt. So this is going to be the button where you push to go ahead and grind it up. If you look at the bottom, you can either put it for more coarse or more fine, depending on your preference. There is a lock and unlock so that you can put in the salt. And then the open button on the top is where you put the batteries in. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over my sink and just grind it up for you. So there it goes. I have it on more of a coarse setting, but if I wanted to change it to more of the fine salt, I could do that as well. As you can see, when I press the button, it does light up so that you know that it's on. I'm not going to waste too much more salt, but certainly does work for sure. And I love that there is a little container over here so that any of the drippings can just go in the container. Again, when I do have my peppercorns, I'm going to fill this with those peppercorns. So again, it's the same thing, the coarse versus the fine. And I can go ahead and grind it up with salt or pepper. Super simple, but such a lifesaver and a time saver in the kitchen. Overall, I would absolutely recommend this product.